All right, we are now ready to celebrate some Wednesday birthdays. We begin in Arma with Cali Dawn O'Banion turning 5. Now, Callie's birthday was actually yesterday, so that means she gets to celebrate all week long, and this comes with love from Mama and the whole family. Happy birthday, Callie.
All right, and Gunner Harina is celebrating birthday number 13 this year in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Gunner.
And we've got Thor Bogle turning 13 in Chanute. Very happy birthday to you, Thor.
Right, and Ryder Newton turning 15 years old up in Fort Scott. I don't think he got that one around here. Ryder there holding a red snapper catch. That's pretty cool.
Very, very cool. Very red, too. And we also have Jace Stewart turning 17 in McCune. A very happy birthday for you, Jace. Happy birthday to you.
All right, and Natalie Lewis turns 18 years old this year. Happy birthday to Natalie, with love from Mom, Dad, and the boys in Parsons.
We've also got Karen Jesse turning 44 in Crestline. Karen, a very happy birthday to you.
Oh, happy birthday, Karen. I miss you. All right, and Janet McKenzie celebrating another year wiser in Columbus. Hope it's a great one, Janet.
And we've also got Jeff and Carlatershner celebrating their 38th wedding anniversary in Hepler, Kansas. Looks like they were having a blast there. Hopefully they make this year another blast as well. Happy anniversary.
All right, and a belated anniversary wish going out to Bill and Mary Franklin, who yesterday celebrated 48 years of wedded bliss there in Girard.
And last but not least, we've got Daniel Prophet celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday to you.
All right, if you have a